you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This was my Queen of Hearts makeup look, and honestly, turned out pretty well. I'm happy with it. I had to peel off the hearts so many times here on my face that the paint started coming off, so it's time. I went on a kick watching scary movies today, and now it's dark and I'm scared to be in my house. Especially walking around with those contacts on, I couldn't see anything, and it was extra scary because it was dark and I was blind. The lashes keep getting stuck to the heart as well, so, oh, owie, owie, owie. There's so many lashes on my face. Ah, that made my eye water. Woo. Now for the fun part. I don't know where to start. Ooh, no, here, yes. That was my hair. Ah, it ripped. I really wanted it to get off in one piece, but it did not. Does anyone remember the nightmare fuel? How about now? And I'm gonna go shower.
For Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies. Time for Teletubbies.
Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Dipsy, la la la, ho ho, Teletubby.
Well, hey, what's up, you guys? It is time to take this off again. I've been talking and moving my face a lot, so some of it already started peeling. But maybe that's good. Maybe it's gonna make my life easier. Or maybe it won't. I need tweezers. Okay, let's see if this makes my life easier. Oh, okay. I want to get at least like one satisfying peel, you know? That was so close. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Could this be the one? No. Look at that. Beautiful. Come on. Okay, we got some satisfying peels in there. The rest of them are just a little too thin for me to peel off, so I'm gonna go wash my face. I had to... This is a sign that I need to go to bed. I had to scrub my face to get all of the little bits out, and now it hurts. Don't be me, don't do that. I'm going to sleep. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. Snatch that weave, baby. Ow, my earring fell off. I'm gonna go take my contacts off because I can't see. I can see now. Although this makeup is painted on except for the horn, so let's do that. So easy. Bye-bye. Oh, and I almost forgot the teeth. That's nice. Nice. Let's take my eyelashes off too. Wow. I swear to God, I don't look the same with no eyelashes on. Who is this? I'm just playing. I know I still look good. I'm gonna go wash all this off. I'll be right back. Ah, much better. If you didn't know, this makeup is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. Yeah. The full tutorial will be in the link in my profile in case you guys want to know what products I used. Have a great day, y'all. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Starting off with a wig. I am very excited to see again. Okay. Oh, and the second one. Nice. I need to drive my siblings to their dance class in 5 minutes, so we about to speed run this removal. Oh boy. Ow. Okay, there's no going back now. Oh my God. Ah. I can't even open my mouth all the way. What? If that's not nightmare fuel, I don't know what is. Okay, I want to see if I can rip it with just my mouth. Ah, yes I can. Oh, that does not feel good. Okay, let's take it off. It does not want to leave my face, but I will make it. I look like a clown. I also feel like a clown, which says a lot. I'm running short on time, and as much as I hate it, I'm whipping out the makeup wipe. I feel like I haven't used one in so long. Oh, nice. My skin is stained in some spots, but it's okay. I need to leave, but...
Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. My phone is about to die, so we gotta do this fast. Starting with the leaves. That was really easy, okay. I'm like always prepared for the worst. Good to know that about myself, I guess. Okay, I feel like these ones are gonna be bad. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's fine. And then, of course, the beautiful smile. I can't see, so finding an edge is really difficult. Found one right here. And, it's stuck. We're just gonna go from the side. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Just lovely. As they say, beauty is pain. And, this is obviously beauty, right? Right? Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kinda like this look. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I am so proud of this. I am such a cute banana. Look at me. The peel took me so long to make. And now it's time to peel off the peel. Nice. Peel the banana, peel, ow. Also, yes, I made this piece out of a Waterloo box. DIY queen! I think there's only one way to do this. Maybe not. Okay, I literally do this every day. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, baby hairs. We don't need the eyelash anymore. This breaks my heart. Well, now there's definitely no going back. Nightmare fuel. And I am no longer a banana. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, from pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact. We gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it in my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay, let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take 2. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done. Finally. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 Deadly Sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? It's time to take this makeup off again. And since I'm wearing no prosthetics, it means that I have to do a makeup print. And all I really need to prep is to put my hair back and take my lashes off. If you don't know what makeup prints are, it's basically rubbing a makeup wipe on your face until it creates a print. And I'm opening a brand new pack of makeup wipes for this, so enjoy it. And this is the only ASMR you're gonna get for this video. Okay, that's enough. I can tell you missed my voice. These makeup wipes are really tiny, so I have to stretch them out to fit my face. And then you guessed it, I put it on my face and vigorously rub it in. Keep in mind while doing this, I can't see and I also can't breathe. So I'm really going off of my one sense that is left, which is touch. I think the hardest part here is to getting rid of all the wrinkles while also trying to get all of the uneven surfaces like eyes, nose, and mouth. The makeup wipe started falling off, so I had to listen. Removing it from my face, I was pretty satisfied. I think it captured a good amount of the things that were on my face. At this point, I was happy and tired, so I put the makeup wipe on the side to dry and then I went shower. See you guys tomorrow. Objectively, the worst thing about doing special effects makeup is the part where you have to take that makeup off. Because, you know, you spend so many hours in it and then you have to wash it off at the end of the day and you don't keep anything other than the pictures. So, luckily, there's a solution which is called a makeup print, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm rubbing a makeup wipe on my face, and with this makeup print, I went through a roller coaster of emotions. When I first took the makeup wipe off, I really thought that the print did not look good, but then after a second glance, I thought it looked alright. I knew I could do better, and since I have a chest paint piece on, I don't know what I said, I did one for my chest as well, and now that one, guys, actually turned out really well. That one might be my favorite because you could actually see all the stitches. I'm still debating what to do with these prints. Maybe I'll throw them out, maybe I'll put them up on my wall, or maybe I'll sell them on OnlyFans. I'm not sure yet. Either way, I'm gonna go shower. Okay, I love this look, but I need to take it off. Oh, okay. Let's start by taking these things off. This is not a good way to do this. Owie. Trying to not stab myself in the eye with my nail. Ow. Oh, nice. The lash comes off too. And I'm gonna do a makeup print. I can't breathe. Ooh. Stop, it's actually kind of cute. There's a patch missing in the lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my face.